You searched how to buy shares of Veea Inc., so let's walk through the basic steps for that purchase. Veea Inc. is a company focused on edge computing and wireless infrastructure, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker VEEA. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. This video uses eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker VEEA to find the listing. Check the search results carefully to locate the correct Veea Inc. entry on NASDAQ. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name, ticker VEEA, and the NASDAQ listing to ensure this is the right asset. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, then review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or placed as a market on open, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio and you can monitor it there. A helpful link is included in the description if you want to follow the same example.